Hello guys, nice to see you today at our new lesson. Today we will do not any coding. Today we will install Java to our machine. This topic is very important for us. Without this knowledge, you will not be able to proceed with this training course. Because to be able to program on Java, you need to have JDK installed on your computer. Agree? Here is our agenda for today. We will cover the following questions. JDK versions, which one to use? Oracle JDK with Open JDK. How to check current Java version. How to download JDK binary. How to configure Java environment variable. The latest Java version based on today is Java version 15. Oracle has 6 months release cadence, so from now on new Java version will be released each 6 months. Does it mean for you that you need to learn Java new features each 6 months? Not necessarily. As for developers, this can be quite overwhelming. How many applications do you have to go back and to update now? Or how many services in your data center constantly need to be updated due to the newest Java release? There are 2 things that developers hate. The first one is a necessary change. It is even crazy to think about keeping several applications or several number of servers up to date with the newest Java release. That is why the concept of an LTS was established. A Java LTS, which means long-term support, release is a version of Java that will remain the industry standard for several years. To give you an example of this, Java 8 was released in 2014 and it extended support till the end of December 2013. Probably Java 8 is the most popular nowadays. A lot of companies still rely on it and there is no urgent need to upgrade the newest Java version. This is the major reason of why we will use this version of Java for our video lessons. And, to be completely honest, between Java version 8 and Java version 13, there is no dramatic difference, which can be noted by a junior developer. You will also notice that you have Oracle JDK and Open JDK available for you for download. Probably the main difference for you right now is that Open JDK is completely free, including commercial use. There are also some other differences. For example, when it comes to performance, Oracle's is much better regarding responsiveness and JVM performance. Oracle JDK is fully developed only by Oracle Corporation, whereas the Open JDK is developed by Oracle and the Java community together. So, I recommend you to use Open JDK. This will allow you to learn Java platform and to implement powerful applications. Now, let me show you how to install JDK on the computer from scratch. To do so, I open Google and search for the following text: JDK Java net. Let's left click on the first link. Then I click on the Java 8 version and select Windows 10 Java Development Kit link. It will download for me the archived JDK that could be added to our environment variables in future. I wait until the binary archive is fully loaded and right-click on the downloaded file name at the left bottom corner of my browser. I select Show in Folder option in the Open drop-down, and this option redirects me to the Downloads folder. I see that OpenJDK 8 etc.zip file is present in my Downloads directory. To unzip the downloaded file, I select it and perform right-click. The following step is to select Extract All option in the Open drop-down and click on Extract button. I wait until the extraction is finished and remove the .zip folder from my downloads directory. I would recommend you to move the extracted folder to your local disk C Program Files directory, not to delete this directory by mistake from your downloads folder. Let's move it there now. Our next step is to configure environment variable for Java. To do so, I click on Start button and input environment word into the Search console. Then I select Edit the System Environment Variables in the Found Result Items list and click on Environment Variables button in the opened window. My following step is to click on New button for the System Variables section in the opened window. I input Java Home into the variable name input. Then I open the JDK 8 directory in my program files folder and perform double click on the folder. The following step is to select the folder and right click on it, select Properties option in the Open dropdown. Then I double click on the folder's location property and copy the selected value. Then I switch to the variable creation window and paste the copied value into the variable value input. Please note that if the location of the Java binary is different on your computer, you should write it into the variable value input instead of the one shown on the screen. Then I click on OK button, select Path variable in Systems Variables section and click on Edit button for it. The following steps are double click on the last empty line in the open list of variables and type the following: %, Java Home, one more %, /bin. After that, I click on OK button and click on OK button one more time in the Environment Variables window to save all the changes made. Then I close System Properties window with the help of OK button and open command line via Start button one more time. Now we can verify that Java is present on our machine. To do so, I execute the following command: Java version. We can see that the current version of Java on our machine is 8. Please note that it is required to relaunch your command line console, because if you just switch to CMD window opened before you added Java Home environment variable, Java will not be recognized as a command on your machine. Let's sum up what we did today. We learned the following: Java versions, which one to use, differences between Oracle JDK and Open JDK, decided how to check current Java version, understood how to download Java binary, found out how to configure Java environment variable. Your home task will be to install Java 8 on your machine. To do so, you should do the following: download Java 8 binary via the link provided in the slide, configure environment variable for Java, Java Home, perform command Java version in your command line, verify that installed Java version is 8. That is everything what I got for you for today. Thank you for your attention. See you in our next lesson.